Andito kami ngayon sa may Humemo. Sama si Tita Ann at ang aming friend na si Annalyn. Our lovely friend. Ito kami ngayon para mag-lunch. Oh, yan ang panalo naman. May Humemo. And then the noodle one. Then the plant-based. It's a bit spicy, so as zero spicy. Ito yung menay chenes siya, sabi kumain. One of that. So that's a satay but a mushroom.
Peanut sauce or you want barbecue sauce? If barbecue sauce, little bit spice. If peanut sauce, no?
Can we have both? Sauce?
Not, because must grill.
Part of the grilling.
Sorry.
It's okay, barbecue.
Barbie, kahit spicy?
Maybe you want
Little
fried
bit
rice?
lang naman.
Tom yum fried rice?
What's that?
Tom yum fried rice. Yeah, best seller also.
Yeah, what's the stick? What's the stick?